Hi, I'm Dr. Missy Clifton. I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I'm also board-certified in laser surgery, and I'm a hair transplant surgeon. There is a concept of hair loss and hair growth that can contribute to someone who feels like their hair is thinning. So the first thing that happens is their hair starts to shed more than usual, and that becomes very concerning. And then there can also be the other side of that where the hair regrowth is just slowed. So you really want to stop the shedding of the hair, and then you want to really be able to stimulate the regrowth. And that's one of the really fabulous things about the Theradome is that once you start doing this light therapy, this laser light therapy, you are actually slowing the shedding of the hair, but then you're also stimulating the hair follicles to go back into the growth phase and to really start growing thicker, healthier, happier hair, really. So when my patients first start using Theradome, I tell them that the first thing that they're going to notice is that the hair shedding or the falling out of the hair is going to become drastically less over time. And it's going to really start around 4 weeks or so that you'll see less shedding. You're not going to see that regrowth of hair though for a few months, usually 3 to 4 months, because the growth cycle of the hair follicle is around 3 months. So you have to first stop the shedding, and then you have to trigger those hairs to start growing new and healthy hairs. So the Theradome is not just for people that have hair loss. A lot of us, including everyone in this clinic and a lot of my staff at Premier Dermatology, use it on the regular. They don't want to lose hair, and they just want to give their own hair a boost. And so it can be used for anybody that just wants an increase in hair quality, an increase in hair thickness, even if you're not really experiencing hair loss. I love the Theradome for any type of hair loss, and I love it for a patient that either just wants to do at-home therapy, or maybe they're also doing treatments within the clinic, because if we're doing exosome therapy or we're doing a hair transplant, the Theradome is going to do nothing but enhance those other procedures and give them a better outcome all the way around. So I recommend it for every patient that comes in with hair loss.